Well, hello and welcome back to my kitchen. This is Texas Cooking Today. I'm Stuart. Folks, you know, in a lot of my videos, you see me using a thermometer, and that's what this is about. Today, you know, normally I'm using my chef's thermometer in a lot of things I do. Every once in a while I'll use a fry thermometer or something else, but it's not common. This is the tool of choice, all right? And you've seen me use it for years on my videos. All right, and it's an important tool. Now also recently you've seen that I have started doing some affiliate marketing, such as Wildgrain. That's a company that provides sourdough and so basically breads, pastas, and pastries, high-end stuff. It's really good. And through affiliate marketing, if you decide you like a product that you see here on my show and you want to purchase that product and use the link in my description box, then I make a commission. So that's how all that works. Other than that, they didn't pay for this video. It's just something I'm doing because I thought it would be fun. This is an unboxing video and I wanted to show you what I got. So what I have here is an item that has been sent to me from Temp, and I am really looking forward to seeing their products, seeing what they've got. So let's open this guy up. There we go. Excuse me. Chef's Temp is the name of this. Chef's Temp thermometers. There we go. Now when I saw this, I thought, okay, finally, somebody has something for me that is really worth me showing to my audience. So folks, right here we go. This is a Chef's Temp cooking thermometer. This is a chef's thermometer, and it has won the Chef's Choice Award. So let's take a look at what this guy is. Let me see here. Now, I have to admit, I've always enjoyed watching other people's unboxing videos. I've always thought it was kind of cool what they do. All right, here we go. So here's the real McCoy. Now, one of my beefs, let me get this out. One of my complaints about most chef's thermometers is that they are too bulky, okay? And that the display is sometimes hard to read. Well, with this one, you've solved both of those problems. We have a chef's thermometer here that is reasonable in its size. It is comfortable in hand. Let me pull this off of here. And I'm looking forward to getting this thing started up, getting it used. Now this thing, if I remember right, has a battery in it that is a rechargeable battery, and that's what the cable is for. So you simply plug it in, charge it up, and that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and charge this thing up to get it started. Because I don't think, yeah, it's not responding to either of those buttons. So I'll go ahead and get it charged up, and we'll take another look at this in a little bit. And so you see it has its own carrier, just the way most good chef's thermometers do. It has an easy read display, and it isn't too bulky, okay? It's not one of those giant things that looks like a stick, all right? So this is something that's really worth looking at. Folks, look. It's an important tool. It's a cooking thermometer. And so when you're using something like this, basically what you're doing is you're making sure that, number one, your food has the right texture and has the right flavor and is cooked properly so that you don't get anything that you don't want, all right? Important tool, probably one of the most important tools in my kitchen. The link right underneath here, and that's in the description box for Chef's Temp, a really cool chef's thermometer. They've got some other thermometers there, including a grilling thermometer that's absolutely phenomenal. All right, so take a look at their products. They're worth checking out. Take a look at my description box. Okay, let's get it charged. All right, well, it has been several days. I've charged this up. It was actually about 2 weeks ago. from what you just saw. All right, so I've charged it up. I've been using it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a really cool thermometer. Okay, first of all, your top button is going to give you the choice between Celsius or Fahrenheit. All right, so there's your choice there. And then this bottom button that turns it on and off. Also, if you are in low light, you can push that bottom button again and it'll give you a backlit display. So it lights up for you really nice. Also, here's a really cool thing. The display rotates. So if I turn it sideways, it still reads right side up. If I turn it upside down, it still reads right side up. So it has a gravity sensor and it allows it to always read in the vertical position, regardless of whether I turn it this way, isn't that neat, or turn it like that. It really does it every single time. Every time you turn it, there it is flipping. Okay, now, so the light went out on it, but I pushed the bottom button again and I've got my backlight on. So in low light, it's real easy to see. This is a very, very cool thermometer. Fits in the hand really well. All right, look. It's easy to hold. The display, guaranteed easy to read. You're going to be able to see that display. It's bigger. All right, now I'm used to using my chef's thermometer and the display is less than half the size of this. So I'm used to having to look a lot closer. This makes it a lot easier. All right, plus the fact that you plug it in, you recharge it, you don't have to buy batteries ever, okay? When it comes to a good chef's thermometer and one at a good price, turn that off, you've got a good choice here. These come in multiple different colors. Take a look at what they've got, okay? The link's right down below in the description box. That is Chef's Temp is the name of this. I know I blew the name when I was unboxing it. I do things like that, you know, a little less than perfect. But this is pretty close to perfect, a lot more than I am. I think about this. Chef's thermometers. You might be thinking, oh, I've cooked forever and I don't need one. Well, listen, it can actually improve your cooking. You know, if you've ever watched my cooking and you see me making a cheese sauce, what do? I heat the cream. I heat it to 150 degrees, and that's when I start putting cheese in there. That's when you start getting good melting. You know, since throwing cheese into cream that is, let's say, 120 degrees, because it's not going to melt that cheese properly. And if your cream is 200 degrees, well, you're about to have some serious problems, okay? So chef's thermometer saves you trouble there. It can help you in candy making. It'll let you know when your chicken is done, all right? Or if it is maybe a little overdone. The chef's thermometer is going to help you out. You're going to end up with juicier birds. You're going to end up with your meats cooked properly. You're going to have dishes that are safe to eat because you're checking them and making sure they're 165 degrees. Folks, it's just that simple. Get your chef's thermometer if you don't already have one. The link is below. It's not expensive and it's well worth having. Oh, by the way, you will be helping me out too. Every one of these that gets sold, I do make a commission on, and I would like to say thank you in advance for doing that. Take a look. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Hey, this has been a lot of fun and looking forward to doing more of these. So if you've got any questions or comments or suggestions, please comment boxes down below. If you haven't already subscribed, why haven't you? Please subscribe. Help me to get my subscribership up over 100,000, and let's shoot for the moon after that, okay? Thank you very much, folks, for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.